Hi, it's Tabitha Caro, and I'm going to share with you how to import a PDF planner you may have to the Goodnotes app. First of all, you definitely want to have the Goodnotes app downloaded. Then on the internet, wherever you're downloading this PDF from, you want to click on it. And if things look like this, you may just be able to import it right then to Goodnotes by clicking on this icon and finding Goodnotes. If you don't see it right here, you may need to go to More and find Goodnotes right here, and I recommend tapping on Edit and adding the plus sign to get it up here like I have already done, and you can change the order if you already have a bunch of favorites right here. So you could go ahead right then and get it into the Goodnotes app, or you may want to save it first to your files, or perhaps it's already in your files and now you want to get it into the Goodnotes app. So I'm going to click on Save to Files, and we will just go right here to Downloads and save it there. Now let's go to the Files app, and we will want to go to wherever you have added it. I'm going to check in Downloads. Let's see, I'm not seeing it, so I am going to tap on Date right here, and there it popped up for me. So sometimes it just depends on how the sorting is done, whether you can find it or not. Now here you also have the import icon, so we'll tap on it. We'll tap on Goodnotes, and you could rename it right here if you wanted to, and you can import it as a new document. If you already have a document open in Goodnotes, you would get the option to import it into that document, but if you want this to be completely separate in its own document, then you'll want to click right there and you're good to go. Now, if this PDF has hyperlinks, just one thing to note is that you can only click and make those hyperlinks clickable in Goodnotes if you're in view mode. So to do that, you need to tap this icon, because right now I'm in edit mode and I have all my edit tools. But if I click on here and I no longer see the edit tools and I see the edit icon without a line through it, then your hyperlinks will be clickable and you can click around in your planner. But if you're ready to actually write and do all of that in your planner, you'll need to click on the edit pencil. Here you have your tools and you'll be ready to get started writing, but you will not be able to click on any of the hyperlinks unless you tap this icon right here and get back to view only mode. I hope that was helpful.